Hi, I want to show you now the number of coconuts we got yesterday. About 300 of them. We paid for each one. We don't want to take advantage of anyone. These coconuts usually don't have any value. People pay nothing for them. Okay? They are rotting all over the area. There are many trees and nothing is made from them for the small farmers. This video is showing you a part of my reality as a small farmer and why it's so needed to get us organized as a cooperative and industrialize our produces. If you see, it took me lots of time to go all over the area with my old car, much gasoline, okay, in order to get those. If I just had to produce, if I didn't have to search for those, if others would do that for all of us small farmers, we could produce much more, have a higher income, and so our activity would be much profitable for us and our sons and daughters, so we would have structure. As you see here, I can produce only for surviving, no leftovers. These coconuts, I can use them for 10 recipes of granola. So, if you want to see more of what we are doing to reinforce this region in the Amazon, search and get our products, search for embracetheamazon.org. In YouTube and internet, get all our videos and everything we're doing. Thank you.